Hello guys, welcome to Adventure with Zaid, and today I'm going to share with you an C1 visa for Indonesia. So stick with me until end of the video if you want to save your money and you want to apply yourself. Mostly the countries they can handle it itself. There is some specific countries which needed a sponsor or they needed some different way to get this visa, but mostly the nationalities in East Asia, West in Asia countries, Europe easily as well, they can obtain this visa. So I will put it into three phase, so you can easily understand. Okay, the first phase I will show you that you have to log in here, create account, and fill up your this form, upload your passport and upload your picture with the passport size, white background. Okay, now when you have created account and you filled it all the details, you have to what you call consider that which documents you required next to upload, and then I will come to what you call the payment and the process days. So let's talk about documents. The documents for this visa, you have to first thing is bank statement. The bank statement, at least you have $2,000 ending balance in your bank account. Guys, this is must. For the some of countries it's really consider, because they will put your case to pending if you don't provide them a good bank statement or just a yanky punky. So uh, after bank statement, you have to provide your flight ticket, like a country Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, what you call this, uh, some Nigeria, Ghana, these countries, you must provide them the ticket showing that this is the reservation, it's paid, you are coming here, and it's not like just like you pick it from any agencies for paper. So make sure it makes sense, that's what I'm saying. And your hotel bookings, try to give them a pre-auth booking, like you have booked it a good hotel and they have your card details. It's means that showing that you have money and you are real tourist and you are coming here for tourism. So why these things important? Because one of it, if it's not really very good organized, you know what they're going to do, they will put your case into pending. Let's say if you're waiting, okay, 2 days already, 11 days I'm hoping to get my visa, but they will put it into pending case and then ask you again to upload these documents. So why not into one shot get it done? And after that, you have to go to the fees. The visa fee is how much? The visa fee for this one, it's uh, actually $60. But some of people are, if they cannot do it this visa itself or they have a lack of documents, they can contact us as well, they can contact another agencies. And right now I am here as well in Indonesia, and I have an this business as well. So you can contact us and anytime feel free to reach out me, and we will do our best to provide you guidance. And if you are willing to take a visa from us, we are happy to assist you. So but our charges will be additional. And now this visa, it's called C1. The mostly it's people like to have taken a sticker visa, but it's don't make sense sticker or V visa when you're getting easily, go for E visa. So this C1 visa, it's allow you to stay 60 days here in Indonesia, and it's two time extendable. It means you can stay up to 6 months, and you can convert into other visas as well, but you cannot do some activities like opening bank account, driving, or another, but visas apply only for what you called for tourism purpose. So guys, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. I am happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and if you like, you can share with your friends. I know some of you thinking that why is not scrolling the website to showing how to apply. It's very simple and easy, only three options. I'm just showing you a real website because I don't have to log in and all, so it's very only one, two, three.